Hello and welcome to another Comp 1000 instructional video. This instructional video is intended to show you where there are embedded within your SAM account videos that you can watch that speak specifically to different project steps that have given you trouble. As you know, I am in the middle of creating a library of videos that show the step-by-step process of the Comp 1000 task. In doing so, and in working with the fine folks at Cengage, who is the publisher of the SAM product, we realized that actually there are videos already available for you within the SAM account that you have. So I'm going to send this video to you and let it serve the purposes of all of your PowerPoint A, B, and C projects, as well as the Access A and B projects that you're responsible for in the Comp 1000 course. Now remember that the Access projects and exams are done for extra credit. They're not mandatory. If you don't do them, it doesn't hurt you. The grade can only help you. If you do them, I apply that grade at the end of the semester. Okay, anyway, not to tie up our time talking about that, I want to show you how you access these very helpful and very specific videos. So as you see on the screen, I have the opening screen for the PowerPoint Unit A project, and I haven't done anything to it, and I'm not going to do anything to it. I've just opened it up, and I'm going to close it. I'm going to save it with our new file name and close it, which means that all of those 12 to 14 steps in PowerPoint A I would have gotten wrong, and I want to get all of them wrong so that I can show you how you can utilize the videos that are already within your SAM account. So again, I've just opened it. I don't want you to do this because you'll make a 0, but I'm going to do this for illustrative purposes. So I'm going to change the name of the file so that SAM can grade it. Remember how we do that. We either save it to a flash drive or to our documents. I'm going to get rid of that 1 and put in a 2. And I'm just going to close this down. And in doing so, I go back to my PowerPoint Unit A project. You're familiar with this screen. I click on Browse. I go to my documents. And there it is, PowerPoint Unit A. That UA stands for Unit A, and the PPT stands for PowerPoint. I look at the date. That's today's date about a minute ago. So I double click on it. It puts it in the upload file folder here, and I click on Submit. And you will do this after you've completed the project that first time. So do each of your PowerPoint projects or any of your projects. This works in Word or Excel or any of our topics. Complete your project for the first time. Change the file name, put it in this, and submit it. And it takes it just a moment, and it tells me that the file was received by SAM to be graded. So I'm going to give it just a moment here to give it time to grade it. Give it about 10 seconds. Then I click on Reports. Now this is the start of the process I want you to see. You've done your project, whether it's Word, Excel, Access, or PowerPoint. You submit it. Give it just a minute after you submit it, then click on Reports. And I see it there. PowerPoint Unit A, today's date, the time that I submitted it. And what I want you to know is this will fill up. This box, this big white box here, will fill up as you submit work during the semester to be graded. Now the first thing I'm going to do, notice there's 2 things here. Our videos are in this study guide, but I want you to see how I would use it. I click on the Reports and File. It's going to ask me, do you want to open this with PowerPoint? Yes, because that's what I use to do the project. Give it a minute to open up this report. And obviously I'm going to get everything wrong because I didn't change anything. I want to always remember, get rid of, if ever I see this bar across the top that says Protected View, always just click on Enable Editing. And look, it tells me I did step 1. The presentation should use the boardroom theme. Well, I didn't change the theme, so I got that wrong. On slide 1, the subtitle should read. So in other words, it's saying you should have changed this. If I go to slide 2, it tells me I missed 3 things in step 3. I should have done this. There's 2 things in step 4 of my instructions that I didn't do. So you get the point. All right. So let's talk about this theme thing. The presentation should have used Ion Boardroom theme. What I would do now is I would close this down. I'm sorry, I'm still on reports. Okay, I didn't mean to intend that you would close down SAM. You just close down that report, and now I'm going to go to the study guide. And I'm going to maximize it. And here's where we'll find videos that are specific to the area that you had trouble with, and they serve the same purpose as the videos that I was putting together. So this will do the same thing for you. They're already in here. And look, it says remediation, meaning how do we correct this? If I click on this, remember that was the very first thing it said that I did wrong. I did not change the design theme, or I did not apply a new design theme. So I click here. Give it just a moment. The first time you do it, it's going to take it a second. Then it will open up the textbook right to the area that has the information specific to the problem that you had. Now remember, I missed everything. When you look right down here and you see that I missed everything. I may have opened it up down here. Let me look. Yep, there it is. There it goes. Okay. And notice, here's a video. Okay, just as you were getting videos from me, these are already in your textbook. There's a video here on applying a design theme. So I click on the video.
Choosing an appropriate design theme can help you effectively communicate the message of your presentation. In this lesson, you'll modify the design theme. The presentation we're creating currently uses PowerPoint's default Office theme, but we'll choose a new theme so the presentation looks like this. A theme is a coordinated set of
If you want to increase the size of the screen, right there, full screen, you click on it, and now it's my full screen.
You can apply a single theme to an entire presentation, as we did here, or you can use more than one theme. Let's get started. In step 1, I'll click the Slide 1 thumbnail. Then in step 2, here on the ribbon, I'll click the Design tab, and in the Themes group, I'll point to the Facet theme. A live preview of this theme is displayed on the slide, allowing you to see what it looks like without actually making the change. And by the way, the first thumbnail here shows the theme that's currently applied, and in this case, it's the default Office theme.
Okay, so I'm not going to watch that whole video, but you get the point. The video, the video for each step of every project is there in SAM. What you should do, whether this is Word, Excel, Access, or PowerPoint, you should attempt to do do some research, do some studying, attempt to do the project, and then use that results, the reports tab, to find where you need help. In my case, remember, I missed everything because I wanted you to see that it will bring up a video whenever you missed an item. If I close this, remember, where did I find this? I went to report. This is after I submitted my project and gave it just a minute to grade it. I went to reports. That's the report I had. I clicked here to see the things that I missed, if I indeed did miss anything. Hopefully, maybe you didn't miss anything. It opens up that project. I'm just reviewing here for you. Remember to always get rid of enable editing, or click on enable editing. And it tells me I did 2 things wrong here. If I go here, I did 3 things wrong here. Down at the very bottom, the last page will always be the instructions. So you see that in step 1, I did not change the theme. So I close this down. I'm still in reports. I go to study guide, maximize it, and it's going to give me a video related to the things that I missed. Over here you have some additional training related to the things that you missed. I would watch those videos. I'm going to do another one here. I'll just click on the design theme again since we're familiar with it. It will open up a video. If I want to expand the size of that video, I showed you how you hit that button that makes it full screen size. It'll open to the exact page. See, this is A6. This is the area that has to do with design themes, since I missed that. If I wanted to go through and look at, actually read the pages, remember that you'll click over here to the right to go to the next page. You'll click over here to the left to go back a page. But since we're talking about the videos, again, all the videos that you need to complete the course are right here. I would click on this video. It loads it.
Choosing an appropriate design theme can help you effectively communicate the message of your presentation.
And again, if I want to go full screen, I go here, click on full screen. Now it takes up my full screen, and as this bar that's going to go away tells you when you're through and you don't want to do full screen anymore, you hit the escape key or the ESC key on your keyboard. And you can pause the video anytime you'd like, make a note or two, start the video again. Good, so now you see that you have a resource already embedded in your SAM account that gives you videos for each step. What I would do again, do the project, whether it's Word, Excel, Access, or PowerPoint, do the project one time, maybe do some reading in the textbook, or do some of the training, whatever, the exam, and whatever, but then when you get to the project, try it one time. That way you only need to focus on the things that you did incorrectly. And we saw where we go to reports, and we go to the study guide to see these videos. Thank you for your time, and good luck in the remainder of the semester.